Before we start, let's discuss about English stops. By definition in phonetics, an alphabet is called stop if the airflow is totally blocked by tongue in the oral cavity during its utterance. So, in English, depending on the position of the airflow blockage, the stops are called labial, dental, or soft palatal or filler as the other name of the soft palatal. Also, in English, depending on the ways they are pronounced, the stops are categorized into nasal, unvoiced, or voiced. The English voiced stop consonants are B, the labial voice stop, D, the dental voice stop, and G, the velar or soft palatal voiced stop. The labial nasal M in pinyin has been discussed together with the pinyin unvoiced stops K, P, and T in video number 3. The velar or soft palatal nasal in pinyin also has been discussed in very detail in video number 4. If you are not familiar yet with this compound or complex alphabet. And in this video, we'll discuss the alphabets B, D, and G in pinyin. As explained in that video number 4, please do not mix the alphabet G with the complex or compound alphabet that even though is composed of two letters N and G, this filler or soft palatal nasal consonant can neither be seen as part of N, which is dental nasal consonant, nor as part of G, which is filler or soft palatal stop consonant. As we discussed before, English has nasal stops, unvoiced stops, and voice stops. In the leading position of an English word, the unvoiced stops are pronounced with aspiration, such as K, P, T, and the voiced stops are pronounced without aspiration, such as B, D, G. However, Mandarin does not have voiced stops. Instead, it only has unvoiced stops in addition to the nasal stops. But there are two kinds of unvoiced stops, aspirated and unaspirated. Pinyin system has mapped the aspirated unvoiced stop consonant alphabets to the English unvoiced stop consonant alphabets K, P, and T, as they are all aspirated in both languages. Please review video number 3 that pinyin alphabet K, P, or T always leads a pinyin. Therefore, pinyin system came to the choice, the most naturally I suppose, of mapping the unaspirated unvoiced stop consonant alphabets to the English voiced stop consonant alphabets B, D, and G, as they are all unaspirated in both languages. And please note too that these unaspirated unvoiced stop consonant B, D, or G also always leads a pinyin. Therefore, when you pronounce an unaspirated unvoiced stop consonant in pinyin, you need to pronounce it as its English unaspirated unvoiced stop consonant counterpart. By counterpart, I mean that it refers to the same stop position. B in pinyin is pronounced as English unaspirated unvoiced labial P. D in pinyin is pronounced as English unaspirated unvoiced dental T. G in pinyin is pronounced as English unaspirated unvoiced filler K. Here is how to pronounce the alphabet B in pinyin. BA is pronounced as pa. BAI is pronounced as pai. PAN is pronounced as pan. PANG is pronounced as pang. BAO is pronounced as pao. PEI is pronounced as pay. PEN is pronounced as pan. PEN is pronounced as peng. PI is pronounced as pi. PIAN is pronounced as pien. PIAO is pronounced as piao. PIE is pronounced as pie. PIN is pronounced as pin. PIN is pronounced as ping. PO is pronounced as po. PU is pronounced as po. It's easy, right? As easy as pronouncing the alphabet B, let's concentrate on how to pronounce the alphabets T and G in pinyin. TA is pronounced as ta. TAI is pronounced as tai. TAN is pronounced as tan. TAN is pronounced as tang. TAO is pronounced as tao. TE is pronounced as te. TEI is pronounced as te. TEN is pronounced as teng. TI is pronounced as ti. TIAN is pronounced as tien. TIAO is pronounced as tiao. TIE is pronounced as tie. TIN is pronounced as ting. TIU is pronounced as tiu. TON is pronounced as tong. TOU is pronounced as tou. TU is pronounced as tu. TUAN is pronounced as tuan. TUI is pronounced as tui. TUN is pronounced as tun. TUO is pronounced as tuo. GA is pronounced as ka. GAI is pronounced as kai. GAN is pronounced as kan. GAN is pronounced as kang. GAO is pronounced as kau. GE is pronounced as ke. GEI is pronounced as ke. GEN is pronounced as ken. GEN is pronounced as keng. GON is pronounced as kong. GOU is pronounced as ko. GU is pronounced as ku. GUA is pronounced as kwa. GUAI is pronounced as kwai. GUAN is pronounced as kwan. GUAN is pronounced as kwang. GUI is pronounced as kwe. GUN is pronounced as guan. GUO is pronounced as guo. So now you understand why the pinyin of pai is written as PAI instead of PAI. Also why the pinyin of Guang is written as GUAN instead of KUAN, and so on. Thank you for watching.